In this video, you'll learn update about Ethereum, Ripple, Dogecoin, Cardano, wedge, and all other top coins. I'll share with you technical analysis, fundamental analysis. It's why let's start. First, my friends, about Ethereum, but before I ask you to push like, subscribe, because it's the best thank you from your side, and that's how you can promote our channel, and you will get updates when you subscribe. Also, remember, my name is Yuri, top author in Trading You. Quite a lot of people follow me, and I promise that this channel will be useful for you. Let's go. First, take a look here. What's going on? Ethereum rise up quite a lot, I would say. Take a look. I would say it is really beautiful uprise. Few minutes ago, I published in our free Telegram channels, that would be linked below, update about Bitcoin. I recorded that update on Trading You. Like in few words, you can see this wedge pattern and huge possibility for breakdown. Remember that most of the market, most of the coins would follow Bitcoin. But what's going on? Ethereum at this moment looks the strongest compared to all other instruments. Write into the comments what do you think about it, why that happens. At this moment, what's going on? Do you see that price? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles in a row, and with huge possibilities there could be culmination. What's going on? What is culmination? Do you know? Write into a chart if you know what is culmination. Culmination, it is when price makes some significant movement, and take a look, and after that, in one case they hit stop losses of all sellers, and after that big pullback happens, like it was here. What major idea of culmination? That bears liquidated, bulls have liquidity to get out. I think that at this moment for Ethereum there could be culmination, and after that some pullback, because you can see Ethereum history, and you would see that Ethereum all the time after significant uprise for 100% or something like that create a range or made deep pullback. It was always range or deep pullback. Even here, take a look. What they did, take a look here. They did a range for 78 days after this significant uprise. Only after that continues that culmination uprise. The same here. Yes, they broke this range, but at this moment price rise 80%, and I think there could be additional hit, and after that pullback. Especially if at highs there would be big volume, it would be a signal for a pullback. Why I think so? Because take a look what's going on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, do you see that creates this wedge pattern, and Bitcoin rise by 20% within 3 days, only 3 days, and 20%. And Bitcoin again built the same pattern as it was here. Take a look, it calls a wedge pattern, and I traded many times, and if there would be beautiful squeezing to this trend line, there might be, my friends, a beautiful breakdown. That's why pay attention to it, because if Bitcoin would drop, many coins would fall. But until that happens, remember that price until that happens could be in this range for a few additional days, and only after drop. It would be better for altcoins, because in that time altcoins will have time to do their job. That's why about Ethereum, let me summarize to you. What about Ethereum and what I would tell you? I would pay attention to patterns like we have on Bitcoin, and if there would be beautiful trend line breakdown patterns, there could be some pullback, because price already rise by 82%. Many of you would ask me, Yuri, what do you recommend me to do? Fix part of your profit. If you bought it in any places, fix part of your profit. That's the best what you can do. The next one, Ripple, XRP. XRP also rise quite a lot. Take a look here, quite a lot, 59%. Also, if you bought it in any kind of this range and this range, I would recommend you to fix part of profit. What's the biggest problem of all coins at this moment? Because I think you agree with me that when Bitcoin, if Bitcoin, better to say if Bitcoin would make a trend line breakdown pattern, many altcoins would follow. I would pay attention to this trend line breakdown pattern on on Ripple. Why? Because take a look, every re-high price tried to do re-high, and take a look here, they failed to do even a re-high. And at this moment, what I would say is that there could be some breakdown pattern on Ripple. If that happens, there could be some pullback. How significant it would be? For me, difficult to say, because everything depends what Bitcoin would do. If Bitcoin would break down and would make significant drop, Ripple, I think, would continue dropping even more. That's why pay attention. If you open short trade, set stop loss and close your position by parts. What about BNB, Binance Coin? Binance Coin broke up this key level. Take a look on this beautiful key level. But biggest problem is that there was no impulse. Remember, after such big range breakout, there must be a culmination, sharp hit. But BNB didn't do it. And in most cases that must happen, and at this moment I would pay attention, because if BNB would continue squeezing up something like this, there could be additional breakout, because after such range in normal cases there are breakout patterns. What else? Dogecoin. Friends, Dogecoin rise up even more than I expected. Tell me please, how many of you trade Dogecoin? Take a look how here Dogecoin played out trend line breakdown patterns. Take a look how many trend line breakdown patterns played out on Dogecoin. Take a look what they did. They did false breakout of this massive key level, and after that this accumulation. Finally they broke this accumulation. What I would recommend you to do, if there would be any pattern like additional trend line for Dogecoin, I would recommend you to follow, because at this moment momentum is up, and Dogecoin dropped quite a lot, and at this moment any additional pump from Elon Musk could pump this coin. That's it. If some of you traded this trend line breakout pattern, my friends, best what you can do is to fix part of your profit. By the way, in our VIP community, part of our VIP members traded. Take a look. One of our VIP member bought it at 0.11. That's that's example what you can gain in our VIP communities. I would be linked below in description. I recommend you to join because there are a lot of updates for you. Would be beautiful breakup. At this moment, additional range could be additional breakup. That's it. What else here? Dot rising in this upward channel there. Take a look. Also, Dot broke this trend line, and at this moment, what you can do, just follow it. That's it. Just follow because whole market is up. Any pullback to key level, trend line could be a good entry point. Sol also rise up quite a lot. By the way, Sol rise up nearly same as Ethereum by 84%, and at this moment I scare that there could be culmination, and after that some pullback. Remember that there are the most important key level on Sol is 44. It is this range border, and if Sol would make hit of that key level, there could be significant pullback. That's it. What is here? Link, maybe only one coin that I use. Take a look. Link, maybe one coin that I use where I see trend line breakdown pattern. Take a look how it's beautiful. Do you agree with me that it is so beautiful, and there could be breakdown? If that would be squeezing, I would recommend you to trade it for a breakdown, because take a look on daily chart, they rise up quite a lot, and at this moment what they do, they squeezing into right way, and they could be breakdown, especially if there would be re-high, biggest volume in DOM here, and after that squeezing down. Friends, below this video you'll find a link on our free course for beginners. I recommend you to watch. Litecoin daily chart. Take a look. It would be here, daily chart. Litecoin broke this range, in normal cases there could be uprise. Biggest problem, what I don't like on this coin, that Bitcoin and all other top coins already rise up quite a lot, but Litecoin didn't do it. And at this moment there is no beautiful pattern that you can get in, or some trap. That's why I skip this coin. Bitcoin Cash. Ethereum Classic trend line is broken, price hit this key level. At this moment there is nothing to do, because like you missed this opportunity. What else here? Theta token, take a look here, my friend. Price creates this channel. If there would be additional channel for additional day and there would be breakup, it could be good trend line breakout pattern, because market is bullish. And at this moment, if Bitcoin continue uprise, I would recommend you to continue. VeChain broke key level. Take a look. They broke this beautiful key level. At this moment there's nothing to do, because good breakout was here, and at this moment like you missed this opportunity. Set. For those of you that keep this coin, I would say that it looks beautiful. It broke beautiful range. I would recommend you, especially if you bought here, to close part of your position and enjoy, because there could be additional uprise even up to this key level. And do you see that we came back to Bitcoin? And remember that why I wrote about wedge pattern, because take a look how Bitcoin also break down trend line. That's it. Especially if Bitcoin would do something like this, that would be re-high, re-low, re-high, re-low. After that, price would fail to do re-high. For me, that would be a signal to open short on Bitcoin. If you want to get such update on Bitcoin from me, below this video there would be a link on our Telegram channel. I recommend you to subscribe, because when there would be beautiful and accurate trade idea, I would share it with you there. Thank you.